Hi, hello friends, welcome to Indian Tech Guru for you. So in this video, let us learn how to generate unlimited e-certificates for various online sessions we are going to provide as of now because of this pandemic situation. Step number 1 is create or select a Google slide for certificate template. Second step is create or select a Google form for participants. Step number 3 is download and install add-on AutoCrat in Google Docs. And step number 4 is map fields from Google Sheet to Google Slide. And final step is generate unlimited certificates. So actually you can also generate certificates using Google Form. However, if you are generating certificates using Google Form, there is a restriction that only you can generate for first 100 members. So to avoid that restriction, you can follow this procedure. Using this procedure, you can generate unlimited certificates. Now let us move on to the step number 1. Just type in the address bar slides.google.com, slides.google.com. Now it is going to open the Google Slides. So here you can either select a blank slide or you can import already existing slide also. So which is having the certificate design. For example, if you want to design a certificate, then you have to select a blank slide, and whenever you select a blank slide, then there will be several templates available at the right side. You can select any specific template. So these are all the templates available. I have used this particular template, Shift template. You can use your own template, or otherwise you can also import already existing certificate template. For example, if you have already designed a certificate using MS Word or using MS PowerPoint, then you can access that particular certificate template by clicking on File, Open, and you can select Upload. So you can select a file from your device. So you can go through any of these two procedures. I have selected a template from here. So after selecting the template, just you need to fill or design the certificate. I have already designed the certificate, so you can design on your own way. So here there is a certificate named sample. This sample certificate I have already designed. So here you can see college name and then certificate of participation. We have conducted a webinar on bioinformatics and its applications on Saturday 31st July 2021, 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. This is to certify that here name must be replaced. For example, if there are 150 participants, all the 150 participants names will be replaced here, and of college, the college name will be replaced here. Attended this webinar and participated, so from 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. 1 hour 30 minutes. So 1 hour 30 minutes professional learning. So convener signature, principal signature. So this is the certificate I have designed. You can design your own certificate according to your wish. Or if you have a certificate already designed, then just click on File, Open, and you can select that particular certificate. So that is step number 1. In step number 1, what you need to do, so you need to, you should not type the name, you should not type the college, not only name and college. So whatever the fields you want to replace with the content of the Google form, then you should place double less than and double greater than in between those fields. That is step number 1. Now step number 2 is go through the Google form For the participants, just type forms.google.com. So I have already designed a Google form. You know how to design the Google form. So this is the feedback form for webinar on bioinformatics and its applications. So I have collected the full name to be printed on the certificate, and the designation for the faculty, branch for the students, college name to be printed on the certificate, and feedback. So these are the fields I have considered. So total 81 responses I have got. Now just click on this cross symbol to view the responses in sheets. Then the responses will be opened in Google Sheet. This is step number 2. Now step number 3 is you have to install an add-on Autocrat. So already I have installed in my system. So if you want to install, then just click on get add-ons and search for the Autocrat. Autocrat. So here the first choice is Autocrat, and you can download and install. Okay, it is already installed in my system. So if you do not install, you can install. So once Autocrat is installed, then the next step, we can follow the next step. The next step is just select the Autocrat and select launch. Now we are going to launch the Autocrat application, which is going to generate the certificates and send the certificates to their concerned Gmail IDs. So that is very, very important. We are not going to generate bulk certificates. So we are going to generate individual certificates, and at a time we are sending those certificates to the individuals. That is very, very important. So in general, what we observe in case of webinars is we are going to get all the participant certificates in a single file, and we have to search for a specific certificate, which is very, very cumbersome process. So after selecting Autocrat, now just click on new job. Now I need to give the title for this job. So webinar on bioinformatics. I have named it as webinar on bioinformatics, and then click on next. Choose template. You have to choose the template. So I need to choose the template from the drive. I have already created template using Google Slide. So now I need to select that particular template. What is the template I have created? Sample. So you need to remember that name. So I have created sample, then just select that particular template and then click on select. That will be selected, currently selected template, and then click on next. Now, so whatever the fields I have given in the template, name and college I have given. Now we need to map this name and college to the fields of the Google Sheet. So name I am going to map with full name, and college I am going to map with college name. So these two must be printed on the certificate. So I have successfully mapped the fields, and then click on next. Then it is asking for the file name. Here file name means after the certificates are generated, then the certificate name, what name must be given for individual certificates. So for that, generally we are going to give the name of the student. So that's why here there is an arrow. Just click on that particular arrow, then all the fields of the Google form will be displayed here. So I want to name the certificates with the full name of the student. So just select that full name and press Ctrl V. Okay, just click on this arrow, then you will get all the fields. Select full name and then press in the empty box and then Ctrl V, press Ctrl V, paste. Okay, so now the certificate name, whatever the certificate is generated, the certificate name will be the candidate name, the participant's name. Okay, and here type is Google Slides and output as. So output as must be multiple output mode. So we need to generate multiple outputs. So that's why by default multiple output mode will be there. So keep it as it is and then click on next. Choose the destination folder. So for this purpose I have already created a folder bioinformatics webinar. So if you do not select any folder, you can choose a folder here. So choose a folder here. So it is going to show you the Google Drive. You can select any of the folders or you can create a new folder. So I have selected bioinformatics webinar folder and then click on next. So add dynamic folder reference. So this is optional. I am not going to select this one. Set merge conditions. For this one also we need not to select anything. Click on next. Now this is very important step. Share docs and send emails. Share docs and send emails. So we need to send the document whenever the certificate is generated. So you need to select yes. You need to select yes. Share doc as. Share doc as PDF. We need to send the certificate as a PDF. So we need to select PDF and allow collaborations to reshare. No. Send from generic no reply address. No. Select no to these two options. And then to whom you need to select? We need to select to individual mail IDs. After the certificate is generated, we need to send the certificate to individual mail IDs. So for that purpose once again click on this particular arrow and select email address and click on this text box and then press Ctrl V. Then automatically email address will be selected. So this is the we are going to compose the mail. So to be sent to the particular participant. So you need to type as subject. So congratulations on participating webinar. Some text you can type. So you can also include, if at all if you want to include, you can also include congratulations space name of the participant. So you can select full name and press Ctrl V. Congratulations. So for example your name is Venkat, then congratulations Venkat on participating webinar or for participating webinar on bioinformatics. So this should be the title. Okay, this should be the title. And then you can type a message. So you can type a message. Or you can leave it as it is. So if you want, you can type a message. I am leaving it as it is. Just the title I am displaying. Congratulations so and so for participating webinar on bioinformatics, and then click on next. So add or remove job triggers. Run from a trigger, no. Run on time trigger, no. So we are going to generate manually, that is why. So keep it as no. Then click on save. Now we have successfully saved the job to create the certificates for webinar on bioinformatics. So now the job is ready. The final step is generate the certificates and send to the individuals. Generate the individual certificates and send individually to the participants. So for that purpose, what you need to do is, here there is a option for running the job. Just you need to click on run job. Just click on run job. Now it is going to run the job, and total 81 participants are there. So even 150 participants are there, 200 participants are there. So it is going to send certificates individually without any problem by using this process. If you use the Google form, then only it is limited to 100 participants. So in the previous webinar, we have sent certificates to 150 candidates at a single click like this. So here you can see the merged documents. Already documents are being created. So here documents are being created, as well as they are sent to their respective mail IDs. Okay, you can see the entire documents have been sent to individual persons. Now here the main important thing is, we are not going to generate bulk certificates in a single file. We are going to generate individual certificates. At the same time, we are sending the certificates to the concerned persons using the mail ID which they have sent. Okay. So at a time, we are generating the certificate and sending the certificate to the unlimited number of participants. So that is very, very important. Now let me show you how the certificate is shown in your Gmail ID. You can see here mails will be sent like this. Congratulations, name of the participant for participating webinar on bioinformatics, and you can see the certificate also. So the certificate will be same as the template we have seen. However, in place of name, the participant name will be replaced, and in place of the college name will be replaced. So like this, we are going to send the certificates individually to all the participants for unlimited participants. So hope you understand the logic. If you like this video, share this information to your colleagues as well as friends, so that it will be easier for them to generate e-certificates unlimitedly and send individual certificates rather than bulk certificates to the participants, so that it will be very effective compared to sending the bulk certificates. Hope you understand the logic. That's all for now.